So in this session we are going to see how you can change your background and combine the images. So let's open any image. You can select in this image. After selecting, you have to just select this lasso tool, the third number tool in the toolbox. Select the lasso tool. So consider if you want to select this image, single image, the middle person. So just we have to start selecting from here, from this edge. You can see, you can zoom if you want. Select the edges. You can zoom and just crop minutely if you want, according to your image, whatever the image it will be. Complete image should be cropped. When selecting the image through this tool, just select the inner portion so that the impact of the outer color won't be completely impacted on your image or the object. So you can see here, just don't select the outer one, just select the inner from the margin, so the impact of the white background won't be reflected on your image. The edge part should be taken care of. You can select the inner edge, like even from this complete suit also. Select the edges completely, and yes, we are done. So after this, we have selected the image. Just press the keys, that is Ctrl, Shift and I. So now the outer layer has been selected. You can see over this, the edges outer layer has been selected, and just press delete. Yes, okay, the background color, just press delete. Just double click on this background layer and just okay, and again press delete. You can see the background has been cleared. Just press Ctrl D again, Ctrl D, and here you can see your layer has been freed from this. So now here we want to add this image into the another image. So just open the second image. You can select this office one, and after that just select this image, press this and just drag over this image. You can see the image has been displayed over here. Now just adjusting the image, you have to just press Ctrl T. You can see the outer ruler over here. Just press Shift and align according to your outer image. Just press Shift so the actual size of the image won't change, and just hit enter. You can see how we have added the image from this one to the another new image. And after that, when you are finished editing this, so for combining all this, we have to just flatten the image. When you're done completely with editing and all, when you are set with your image and you have to just like export anything, go to layers and just press the flatten image, so that the completely all the layers has been locked. So that's what for this video. We'll meet in the next video.